Grandpa Marty. Hi. Hi, Cousin Eva. Hi, Cousin Eva. Can you say hi to Eva? Hi, Eva. Hi, Auntie Christy. Oh, my, aren't you awake now? She just ate, and now she's wide awake. Oh, what a nice baby. Can you say hi? Hi, Eva. Hi, Eva. There you go. Hi, Eva. She can't talk, but I think she's trying to say hi to Eva. Oh, that was a little burp. I felt it in here. I felt some bubbles go around in here. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes. Can you smile for Eva? Oh, you want to sit up more? Okay. You like to sit up. Oh, that was a good one.
Anti-gas tablet. Okay. In my pocket. If you don't mind cleaning it up after you're done. Sure.
Oh, my. Oh, again. That's two.
Miss Julie Anderson.
I should let you see all the hair she's got in the back of her head.
Oh, well, that's not hard.
Oh, she's got so much dark hair. Look at all her, way down in her neck. Her hair. See, look at that. See? Oh,
Lots of
she had
hair.
lots of hair.
Alright, we'll get the last little bit of the front and then we'll stop it for
See.
now.
Hi, Grandpa Marty.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Eva.
There you go.
Bye, Eva. Oh, yes. Bye, Eva.
I think this is so
Alright.
cute.